This was so crazy, bruh.
Have you ever had this happen to you? So he's taking this cast off. Let's talk about what exactly goes into taking a cast off. He's doing a technique called a bivalve technique, where he's making cuts on both sides of the cast.
I had it
to allow
on for
removal.
7 months. JK, it was only 5 weeks. Felt like it though.
After he does this bivalve technique and cuts both sides, there's a certain technique for doing this. And this, you can see here, he always keeps one finger on the cast while he's using the saw. This is to prevent the saw from plunging deep into the skin. The saw blade vibrates back and forth, and there's a little vent on the saw that allows it to suck all the cast debris away. But even though it vibrates, if you pushed really hard into the skin, it could cut it. After you perform the bivalve, you use a spreader to spread it
Like
apart.
for part 2.
And once the cast is spread, then you can get it off.